Right now, maybe we ought to round the edges a little bit more, kind of take off these sharp edges over here, and we'll put it on this sander over here. We'll put it on the little bigger sander, and it'll only take a minute. Okay, like say if you want to paint it, go ahead and paint it any color you want. Pink, red, green, blue. I went to the house, I got some feed, and I'll show you how this works. Pour the feed in there. As you see, the feed's coming out the bottom there. And as the birds, they peck away at it, and it comes out, and it just kind of lowers itself as they go into it. And that's the simple way to make a bird feeder. You hang it up in a tree or any place you'd like to hang it, on the side of your house. Just put a screw in there and you can hang it on the screw and leave it up all winter long, and the birds will be there all winter long. It's a very inexpensive way to make a bird feeder.